So why did you want me to come out here again? Oh, so I can talk to you about 4th of July. Why out here? Because we're going to celebrate 4th of July soon. I don't want to celebrate 4th of July with you, man. Especially not you. What? Why? Because you're annoying. That's not nice. I don't really care, man. Because, like, I don't want to be around you for fucking hours when all you do is just talk and talk and talk and talk and stink and rot and talk and talk and talk. Wait, what were those 3 different words? I didn't say any different words. All I said was talk. Oh, okay. Just, God, I'm out, man. Leave me alone for a bit. Wait, what? Why? Shut up. What did I do? Why does everybody hate me around here, man? No, oh, crap. Toy Freddy? You just break my window? Hold on. I can fix it. Oh, crap. That's worse. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, God. What the? There's so many fireworks. What? Oh, I don't know. Wait. No, it can't be him. Who? Firework Freddy, man. You don't know? I don't know. He's the best firework party thrower in all of the world. He comes by and he throws the most crazy and best looking firework parties ever, you know? Oh, I didn't know about that. Of course you didn't, jerk. What did you call me? What? I called you jerk. What? I said I called you idiot. Oh, give me right again. Dumbass. Oh, what's up, Endos? Huh? Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? Good. Okay, I guess nobody wants to talk today. That's great. Excuse me. Hey guys, how you doing? Oh, we're doing good. Also, happy 4th of July. Why do you care about 4th of July? Oh, I don't know why she cares, but I don't really care that much. Why don't you? Because it's just not my thing. Oh, okay. God, what's the point of 4th of July anyways? I don't know. It's just a year that we celebrate. I don't know. I wasn't even around when 4th of July was a thing, or became a thing. When was it a thing? I'm not a history teacher. Search that up. Jeez. Not gonna be that rude. Oh, hey. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's my firework collection for 4th of July. Why do you have so many of the big ones, too? Look. Look. This one's my favorite. This one's my favorite right here. It's my favorite one. That thing's trash. Get that out of here. What? My rocket. Idiot. What the? You know what? Give me this. Alright. It's got a throw piss missile. Never thrown one before, but today's the day. What the? Did you just throw a firework in my ear? Oh, you're gonna pay for that, buddy. Hey, step any closer and I'll detonate it. Whoa. 5? Oh, crap. What do I do? Come on. Crap. Get it out. Crap. Oh, crap. Oh, boy. What the that worked. But you just killed him. No. He's fine. It'll be okay. But, did you see him just explode, though? It's fine. What the? Oh, crap. Get it out. Oh, crap. No. Oh, crap. Get it out. I got it. Oh, crap. What is going on over there? Huh. What the? Oh, God. Why is there a flying firework? Got it. Take your firework back. My firework. You threw my firework out the window. That's it. Take that. Oh, crap. Oh, you kind of missed. Whatever. No, that's on my watchers. You gonna wake up yet? What the hell happened? Wait, no, I know what that thing is. That is Firework Freddy. Wait, Freddy. He's at the door. Wait, there's somebody at our door? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, there he is. Oh my god. What the? It won't open. Crap. That works. Yeah. Hello, I am Firework Freddy. Oh my god. Fire Freddy, is that you? Oh, let me tear this down. Alright, anyways. Okay. Hello, my friend. Hello. My eyes. Oh, that was beautiful, man. Of course it was. There's also another one right here. I guess I'll send that one over there. Wow, that one's awesome. Come on, let me, can I come in? Of course. Guys, gather up. Oh, are you okay? What? Where are you? Oh, I'll kill you for this. Oh, I made her blind. Never satisfied customer. Oh, man. I'm such a big fan of yours. Oh, sorry, a little far away. Of course, child. Thank you so much. Oh, man, this is awesome. This is so cool. Here, come with me. Oh, really? Do I get to be part of the show? Of course. Come here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna need you to stand right over there, right in front of that wooden board. Okay? Okay. What now? Just stay right there. Watch this spectacle, my friends. Okay. Let me go grab my firework. I think that was the firework. Might not be. It's okay, though. Alrighty, just aim it. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna aim this and it's gonna get stuck above your head. Really? That's gonna be awesome. Alright. It's primed. Yo! Oh. I missed. What the? Is there a fire? Nothing. It's okay. Hold on. Okay. But Balloon Boy? Oh my god. Oh crap. That's not part of the show. Not part of the show. Everybody look over there. There's a firework over there. It's all okay, you know, it's all fine. We're all good. Everything's just fine. Balloon Boy's dead. Yeah, I see that. That was awesome, man. I'm a little scared. It's fine, it's fine. Tabani, you okay? Okay, Tabani's dead. Anyways, besides what happened to that, I don't know where I threw him. Poor unfortunate child. Time for my real main show. My firework, wine chef thing. I forgot what I called it. What the? Are you sure about this? Oh, okay. There's that. There's a speaker. Don't believe him. Those fireworks will blind you. They'll blind you. Ow. What? Wait, what the? My eyes. I can't see. I can't see. Oh, glad I didn't look at that one, but that was still awesome. Jesus Christ, God, that hurt. Man, why are we trusting this guy? Because he's the best around. I can't see. Hello? Well, oh, another contestant. Go right over there. Alrighty, we set this up real quick. Alright, that should be good. Alrighty, everybody, time for my next performance. Oh, yes. Guys, watch. I'm going to have to shoot a missile through the hole under JJ. Oh, that's going to be awesome. He's going to do it perfectly. Yeah, okay. Alrighty. Come over here. Let's do this. Alright. Alrighty. Let it get to blue. Do this. Oh, I missed. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, that was awesome, man. Alright, are you sure about this? Well, we need to get out of here, like, right now. Hey, don't leave. It's okay. I'll use a small one this time. Let it get blue. Oh. JJ's daddy. Oh. Crap, more evidence to get rid of. Oh God, it's hot. Alright. That's just a little mishap. That's part of the show, you know. Crap. Hey, viewers, can you see me? So I think what I'm going to have to do right now is I'm going to have to nuke them in the most uncriminalizing way possible. Okay. Anyways, who are you talking to? Nobody. Alright, let's take this our time for your next performance. Wait, isn't that pointed at us? Oh, it's fine. Alright, attach the fuse and... Wait. Alright, guys, watch this performance. I don't know about that. Oh, God. Shut. I'm out of here. I'm out. This is stupid. Hope you won't get to experience it then. Okay, then. Oh, what the hell? Oh, God. What the hell happened? Guys? Are you okay? Oh my God. Oh, that didn't work? Well, crap. Let me grab another one. Oh, I have smalls. Aw. Oh. Got to make that work. Aim it right at him. Wait till it's pure blue. And let's do this. Wait! Oh, crap. I gotta go. Oh, no you don't. No you don't. Alrighty, let me grab enough for firework. Let this one prepare. Get this one ready. Oh, crap. Well, guess this is the end. Goodbye. Good to grab another one. Alright, well, that should work. Let me just get that ready. Oh, goodbye, little Endo. No. Oh, happy 4th of July, everybody. Oh, I'm pretty sure he's dead. Well, happy 4th of July, everybody. Have a good night. And, America, flags, whatever. I'm out of here, this place.